Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Gig. Today we have with us an affordable 55-inch QLED TV from Thomson, and in this video we will do the unboxing and will show you how it performs. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we can see it's a QLED TV from Thomson and it's a Google TV. This is a Phoenix series 55-inch TV with the model number Q55H1001. In the middle of the box we have some key features such as HDR10 support, Dolby audio, DTS TruSurround Sound, and you get the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos support. And guys, you get the Google Assistant support in this TV along with the built-in Chromecast. This TV is made in India, and here we can see the box content and the MRP, which is Rs 59,999. However, the launch price of this TV is just Rs 40,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the documentation, and here we have the user guide along with the warranty card. And then we get this AV cable, and then we have the remote controller. And guys, the remote of this TV is sleek and well built. And you have the dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and then you have this configurable button. And here you can choose an app of your choice. And apart from that, you get two AAA batteries, and then we have the wall mount for this TV, and then we have the mounts for the tabletop. And then here we have our TV unit itself. And guys, you can wall mount this TV or use a tabletop stand. So in this TV, we have a 55-inch IPS panel, and it's a QLED TV which comes with a 4K resolution support. You have all the premium features in this TV such as Dolby Vision, HDR10+ support, and also the MEMC technology for smooth experience. The display output of this TV is quite good, and you get this bezel-less experience. At the bottom of the screen we have the Thomson branding along with the status LED light. You have the 40-watt speaker setup in this TV, and about the performance I will talk in a moment. Looking at the back we have a neat and clean design, and here at the middle we have the wall mount holes, and here at this side we have the ports. So we get the AV port, antenna port, 3 HDMI port, and then we have the SPD-IF for digital audio along with the Ethernet port, and on the other side we have the power port. So guys, I've been using this TV for a few days. Now let's discuss if this TV is worth buying. So this is the Thomson Phoenix Series 55-inch 4K QLED TV. And this is not an Android TV, but an upgraded version which is a Google TV. The UI is simple and easy to understand, yet very useful. And you have the curated content here that is based on your viewing. So on the top we have the search, which you can use with the voice command. The Google Assistant works very well on this TV, and you can give basic commands such as open a video or open an app. And then we have the For You page where you have the content from the installed apps as well as specially picked content for you. The best part is that you can see the movie information here along with the where to watch info, which is my favorite feature so far in the Google TV. And then we have the separate tabs for movies and apps and the library where you can see your watch list. And now about the display performance more. As mentioned earlier, we get the Dolby Vision support in this TV. And when you play content from Netflix or Amazon Prime, which has the Dolby Vision support, you get this icon on the top left. And also, in some cases, you will see the HDR icon. And guys, in these settings, you can further customize the output as per your choice. And you have different picture modes. You also get the MEMC support in this TV, which makes the output quite smooth. And this works very well, especially while watching sports or playing games. The display output of this TV is very good, and the viewing angle of this TV is 178 degrees, and the performance wise is quite good. And one more thing, due to the bezel-less display, you get even a better experience. And getting all that in a price which is around 40,000 rupees is actually amazing. About the performance a bit more, I have watched content on this TV from Netflix, YouTube and Amazon Prime, and the display performance is very good. You will not see any color bleeding issue in this TV, and also the output is vibrant and pleasing to the eye. In terms of the technical details, you get the Android 11 on this TV, the RAM is 2GB, and it comes with a 16GB storage. The processor of this TV is MediaTek MT9602, and you get the Mali G52 GPU support. And during our testing, we didn't see any lag or stutter in the UI while going through different pages or options. You also have a Play Store in this TV by which you can download more apps, and you have over 10,000 plus apps and games for this TV. Now in terms of the audio, you get the Dolby audio support in this TV along with the DTS TruSurround Sound. And while watching movies, we were really impressed with the 40-watt speaker setup. And also, we didn't feel any need to attach an external soundbar or speaker system. And apart from the different sound modes, you also have a dialogue enhancement option which works quite well. So overall this Thomson 55-inch Phoenix series TV performs quite good. The display performance is very good and you're getting all the premium features, and that too at a budget price. The build quality, design, and the overall performance of this TV is by far the best we have tested in this price segment. The 40-watt speaker performance is also very good. So in short, if you're in the market to buy a new TV, or if you're thinking of upgrading your TV at home, then we highly recommend you to check out this newly launched TV from Thomson. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this TV, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Thomson 55-inch 4K QLED TV. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this TV in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.